Hi everyone. This is Shweta Shetty from Webbazar again. Earlier we used to shy away a lot from, these 1 day, 2 day, 3 day programs, thinking that, oh God, it can get so boring and, you'll sleep in the second half. And I don't know what, gyan, so much gyan for the whole day seems really, like a torture. Initially I would think like that. I have done a lot of trainings earlier also. But what was very refreshing about this training that Amrut Kumar does is that he makes sure that everybody is involved and nobody is kind of slipping away or nobody is lost, in their own world. So I thought that was very nice, and also the fact that he engages the audiences in some sort of stories that he's sharing or videos that he's sharing. All the stories and videos that he shared were really effective. I really liked those. And the key learnings for me as an entrepreneur would be, the found time exercise, because all of us are constantly finding ourselves stretched for time. So the found time exercise was really nice.
I've been talking to Amrut, CEO of Great Scope Consulting, about this program. In fact, we everyday problems, day-to-day problems in our organizations, there may be a small problems, but the way in which today Amrut has presented how we can tackle those problems is excellent. Something which is really in a practical manner. He has through games and something like that, he has sorted out, and he has given a proper solution to our team also. So I thank you very much, Amrut, and your team. Thank you.
I am Manoj Agarwal, CEO of Spyro Gears. The way Amrut started the program was really fantastic. It was a different kind of an introduction, because it was something like you are going and networking with somebody, a stranger, you're networking with a stranger and getting this one introduction, right? And the most takeaway is the learning cycle. The attributes of a person, what are the attributes of myself and how am I going to improve from one stage to another? That is the best takeaway for me.
Okay. Would you recommend this to other entrepreneurs like you?
Yeah,
for their teams?
I would like to recommend, and I am looking for different kind of programs also to attend in future.
CEO of Agile Limited. So what I've learned today is 10 professional effective traits. That's where I've seen where I am in as being a professional. And second thing, the video what shown in the morning, never give up. Though you have lot of negative influence, lot of people pulling down your legs, but you still can keep up and win the game, whatever game you are in. So that's what I've learned today.
Fantastic.
And I recommend to all BNA members and their staff as well to attend.
The thing is that I've never attended such kind of programs in my life. It was the first one.
Okay.
And I was wondering, like, from 9:30 to 6:30, how to sit in one place and listen to a one lecture itself.
Okay.
But the thing was that the time passed out so early. It's already 5:30 now. And the program was very, very nice. I would like to attend such kind of programs again.
The professional effectiveness program, I really enjoyed it, first of all, because the way Mr. Amrut put into was totally in a simple manner where any simple person can understand.
I would like to take this opportunity to thank Mr. Amrut for giving us a wonderful training today. It was so memorable and inspiring, and which we can never forget. As he told in the training that we should have short-term and long-term goals, this was one of my short-term dreams, I can say, which is achieved today. So the training was awesome, and we would like to have this kind of training monthly once at least.
This is Imran from Swamitra Group. The program was really great, excellent. The video what we saw, I have really moved on with that after seeing the video. Removing negativity from a man's mind, I know it's a bit difficult, but trying harder, the more you try, of course it can come out.